left your sweater on my chair, sleeves still folded like your arms were there. I trace the stitching, say your name. The silence answers, everything has changed. I'm lost in your goodbye, and every little thing you left behind, in the echoes of your footsteps down the hall. You said it's better this way, then you turned and slowly walked away. Now I'm wandering this ending all alone, lost in your goodbye. Our coffee cups are gathering dust, two chip mouths just staring back at us. I keep your side of the bed made, like if I crease the sheets you might just fade. I'm lost in your goodbye, and every little thing you left behind, in the echoes of your footsteps down the hall. You said it's better this way, then you turned and slowly walked away. Now I'm wandering this ending all alone, lost in your goodbye. Did you rehearse every word you said? Practice that calm while I fell apart. You closed the door, but it stays open.